What's up, Brolly? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very unique and fancy desk accessory that honestly I think is one of the best smart devices that I've tried recently. This literally helps me stay healthy in a super fun and interactive way. I'm talking about the HidrateSpark Smart Bottle. Having this is like playing a game while staying hydrated. Not to mention it also has some RGB illumination to boot. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so right here we have the packaging for the HidrateSpark Steel Smart Bottle that I got from Digital Walker. As you can see, we have some image preview of the product, and then on this side we have a glimpse of the different integrations that we can take advantage. And finally at the back, as you can tell, it is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. But for this particular video, we're going to use this with an iPhone. Upon opening the box, you'll see a small accessory box, and then the HidrateSpark Smart Bottle itself. Inside the accessory box, we just have the proprietary charging cable. Now at first look and touch, the HidrateSpark looks like a typical water bottle with the locking mechanism right here and an additional translucent lining here at the bottom. Looking around right here, we have some branding, and on this side, we have a small strap. So yeah, looks and feels essentially like your typical water bottle. This is the 500 ml chug variant, and this is also available in different colors, capacities, and materials used. Now, what separates this from a typical water bottle is that it has this removable smart module at the bottom that integrates with its companion app. You can download the app from the App Store for iOS devices and Google Play Store for Android devices. In this case, I'll be using it with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. The setup process is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is create an account, set up your personal information manually, or automatically grab it from Apple Health if you already have that set up. After that, it should automatically set your ideal daily water intake goal. So in my case, that's a total of 3 bottles per day. The next step is to add your bottle by following the instructions guided by the app. So you'll have to choose the correct type of your bottle, start the pairing process, and then calibrate your bottle. So pick the right size, and then empty the bottle and set it upright. Wait for 10 seconds, then fill up your bottle and set it upright again on a flat surface. Wait for another 10 seconds and you should be good to go. From now on, all you have to take in mind is to set the bottle on a flat surface every time after you drink, and the bottle will actually light up indicating that it's done measuring your intake. And then every time you refill the bottle, place it as well on a flat surface until it lights up indicating that it's done updating the water level. Now, this entire process might be a hassle for some, but it actually makes me more aware of my water intake aside from the regular app notifications and bottle illumination reminders. Speaking of illumination, the HidrateSpark Smart Bottle will remind you to drink water within a certain interval via the built-in illumination at the bottom. You can also set the colors, intervals, and intensity depending on your preference through the app. The app is very intuitive and useful. It shows you your daily goals as well as your water intake history so that you can always keep up. You can also add friends for the challenges and leaderboards if you're into that. You can also add more bottles if you want and set up a whole bunch of different settings and parameters that will cater to your personal preference. Now, one thing that I don't like about this water bottle is the charging interface. I am not a fan of the proprietary charging cable and would have preferred to use USB Type-C instead. But at the back of my mind, I feel like there's a good reason behind this design. The smart module at the bottom is also removable and should be compatible with other bottles from HidrateSpark. Removing this also allows you to clean the bottle thoroughly. Now, here's what I have to say about this water bottle. I know for a fact that before having this, I'm pretty sure I am way below the needed daily water intake because of a combination of factors that includes my busy schedule, honestly, laziness and negligence, and having this smart bottle is literally life-changing for me. Like, I'm not even kidding, guys. Forget about the fancy RGB illumination, it's not actually about that. And granted, you can get some decent reminders with any cheap smartwatches and what have you, but having a water bottle that constantly reminds you that not only you need to drink water frequently, but it also gives you a conscious effort that you need to refill it at least 3 times a day. And just the entire process of the routine makes you always aware, especially that having a tangible goal with the application that motivates you to finish your daily quota is something I really enjoy. It's like I'm playing a game while still getting properly hydrated, like I said earlier. Now, another bonus is that it integrates well with my Apple Watch, so it makes everything more fun and easy. I can quickly look at my water intake at a glance, So yeah, pretty awesome that you can use your Apple Watch with your iPhone and the HidrateSpark water bottle. Now, honestly, I'm not perfect. A lot of times, I still don't finish my goal. But I'm telling you, the amount of water I take nowadays is far from what I'm having before. So yeah, this is definitely a good investment for me. And I also plan on purchasing another for my wife. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Huge thanks to Digital Walker for sending this in. You can get this using the link below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this. And see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.